Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're all doing very well. This is Sayyid Muhammad Saad Jamil, your mathematics instructor and founder of Teaching by SM. So the topic that we will be doing today is called differentiation. The purpose of our videos was to make the videos for all the topics for paper 2 and paper 4 combined. So alhamdulillah, this is our last video. The topic is differentiation, and then we will be moving on to paper 4 videos, right? Before I move on, I just want to tell you all, please to support us. Please do like, subscribe and share our channel, because all the donations will be donated to Palestine. So far we have raised $34. Once $100 are raised, we will be donating it to Palestine, inshallah. So, first question of differentiation. Differentiate 6 plus 4x minus x square. Now, these are past paper questions. I have a separate video for differentiation as well, which I'll mention in the comments below. That's differentiation from the start. However, this is just the topic, just these questions from the past papers. So as you can see, this is winter 2022 to 2020, paper 22. So first of all, when you differentiate dy over dx, look, with 6 you do not have any number, right? Since you do not have any number with 6, 6 will be finished. Plus 4x means 4x to the power of 1. If I write 4x or if I write 4x to the power of 1, both mean the same thing. So this 1 will multiply with 4, x raised to power 1 minus 1, and minus this 2 will multiply with x, 2x, 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1. We always multiply by the power and then subtract 1 from the power. So your answer is going to be dy over dx is equals to 4, because x raised to power 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So minus 2x raised to the power of 1. So that's your final answer, guys. Let's move on to our next part. It says find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. Now look guys, what does this question mean? Turning point means dy over dx, or it means gradient. Okay? At the turning point, please do remember this. At the turning point, gradient is always 0. So what the question is saying, it is saying we already know dy over dx. Dy over dx, we found it in the first part, is 4 minus 2x, and because it's the turning point, it means 4 minus 2x is equals to 0. Minus 2x is equals to negative 4, because we shifted 4, minus minus cancel, x is equals to 4 divided by 2, x is equals to 2. That's the first part of it. Now let's move to the second part. Because it's saying find the coordinates, we found the x coordinate. We need to find y. So y is equals to 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 whole square. 6 plus 8 minus 2 square is 4. So 6 plus 4, which is 10. So your coordinates are 2, 10. Fairly easy. Took me maximum 2 minutes or 3 minutes for both the questions. Now, find the x coordinates of the point on the graph of y is equals to x raised to power 5 minus 5x to the power 4, where gradient is 0. Again, dy over dx, let's do it. Dy over dx, multiply with the power, subtract the power, so raised to the power 4, minus multiply with the power, 5 times 4, this, subtract 1 to the power 3. Perfect. So now it's saying gradient is 0. It means 5x to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 0. Now what we can do, let's take common. 5x to the power of 3, if I take common, it means x minus 4 is equals to 0. So as we know, I'm trying to give you the best possible explanation so you guys understand the reasoning for everything. One way is to say 5x raised to power 3 is equals to 0 divided by x minus 4. 5x raised to power 3 is equals to 0. X raised to power 3 is 0 divided by 5. x raised to power 3 is 0. Eventually x is also 0 because the cube root of 0 is 0. This is for those who find math difficult. I have some students like this and inshallah they will get an A as well. So second, x minus 4 is equals to 0 divided by 5x raised to power 3. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to positive 4. I don't know where I'm getting all this energy while fasting. So I hope this video gets a lot of views. So your final answer, 0 and positive 4. Now it says the derivative of 2ax raised to power 7 plus 3xk is equals to 42 raised to power 6 plus 15xk minus 1. Find the value of, they just want to make lives miserable for people. So they just complicate simple things, but we will find a way. So sometimes some of my students, even I have now looked, the same concept will be applied in this question. Some students, they are like, sir, you never taught us this question, you know. So such questions came in exam, we never studied it. Brother and sisters, we studied it. You just need to apply the concept. So look, same thing. I'm going to do the same thing. 7 multiplied by 14, that's 14ax, decrease one power is to the power 6, plus k multiplied by 3, 3kx. Now guys, look, we subtract one number, right? So it means k minus 1 is equivalent to 42x raised to power 6 plus 15x, right? Same thing. Now we need to find a. Now this cancel. It means a is equals to 42 divided by 14. A is equals to 42 divided by 14, 3. I hope it's correct. Now this part, look, xk1, cancel it out. Did I do it right? Of course I did it right. I never doubt myself. So 3k is equals to 15. K is equals to 15 divided by 3. K is equals to 5. Simple. So my question to you again, have we studied it? Yes, we have. How many questions left? And wow, we are on the final question. So fast. The curve has equation y is equals to x cubed minus 12x. Find the gradient of the point. You know, I guess this video will be 10 minutes long. For this 10 minutes video, I have been procrastinating for 1 week. Bad me. A curve has this equation, find the gradient of the curve. Okay, dy over dx, guys. I guess it will become a new trend. It's instead of saying just do it, you guys will say dy over dx. Hey man, just dy over dx. Sounds cool. Yeah, I did the dy over dx. Now find the gradient of the point. So look, this is the x value, this is the y value. We know that gradient is equal to 3x square minus 12. So 3 in place of x, write 1 square, doesn't matter because square of 1 is 1. 3 minus 12, that's minus 9. 3 marks for free. Now second question, find the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. Now look, again, turning point of the curve basically means the point at which the gradient is equals to 0. Okay? So it means 3x square minus 12. Let me write it good, otherwise some students will get confused. 3x square minus 12 is equals to 0. 3x square is equals to 12. Divide both sides by 3. X square is equals to 4. Under root both of the sides. X is equals to plus minus 2. Now I know my mathematics. Plus 2 minus 2. Okay. Second, we already know what's the equation. Y is equals to x cubed minus 12x. Just put in the value of x. So 2 cube minus 12 multiplied by 2. 2 cube is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2 times 12 times 2 is 24. So the answer is 16. Minus 16. And then again, x cubed, now I'll put negative. Negative 2 cube minus 12 multiplied by 2 minus 8 minus 24 minus 32. And I just made a slight mistake, I realized, because it's minus 2, right? Sorry. Minus is plus. Sorry guys. So minus 12 multiplied by minus 2 is positive 24. So it's going to be negative 8 plus 24, that's positive 16. Yeah. So this is your answer. So if I scroll down, there are no more questions left for differentiation. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, share our channel. We have all the resources. We have topical mathematics past paper for paper 2. All of them are completed. We are working on paper 4 right now. And besides that, we are focusing, I will be inshallah making a new lecture series for accounting from the basics. For those students who don't know accounting, just one playlist, get an A star in accounts or distinction, and then you can tag me. See you guys, take care, thank you.